Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Dolls here, and I had a box opening here and then I noticed that I was running out of room on my memory. So anyways, we're back at it again. I've unwrapped two of them. This one here is an R&B, which is R&B Doll Company. These just came in. They're still cold from being outside. They were supposed to be delivered yesterday, but they came, but I wasn't home. But anyhow, as that may be, there we go. There is a marking on her neck that says R&B. I hope you could see that. She's loosely strung, so she's going to be easy to take apart because of her stringing is so loose. But anyways, we will get her new stringing, get her all cleaned up, and let's see. I think she might be her original paint. There's no real lifting that I can see right now. Maybe on the head part there I'm seeing some lifting where the wig was at one time, but other than that, now she has a sister doll here, and she's in really bad shape, like paint wise and everything, but easier to get to, I'll tell you. Won't be much to take this paint off, but she's not marked. She has no markings, but she's the same time period as the other one, but the 1940s. She has the glassine eyes, maybe into the 50s. You know, early 50s she could be. But anyways, because these nice fashion dolls came out too, and character dolls as well. But there's no markings on her, but she's still a very nice doll. She'll show good when she's done. I got one more to open up here, and she's a smaller one as well. We'll open her up. Okay, I'm going to see what you're seeing here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, she's just as bad as that second one there. Ooh, if she ever. Ooh, 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 ooh. She's got flaking going on and everything. Okay, we'll show you her. Oh, she's got a very dainty little face. There we go. Now I got her as well. And I say she's about 14 inches maybe. 16, something like that anyways. But again, oh, she's flaking right inside of her stuff in her bubble wrap. She's got pieces of her in there. But anyways, no markings again that I can see. This wig is no good anyway, so just do that over there. I don't see anything right now. If it is there, it's just not visible to the eye. Wow. I don't see anything standing out, but hey, you never know what's underneath there. She's just so cracked. The paint is so dried out. There you go. Her wig is pretty much done. She needs a new wig. It's just, I say it's done. They'll all get, probably all three of them will get new wigs. But anyways, I'll set them up so you can see them all. And we'll put them on top of the bubble wrap here. This one here is really flaky, quite a bit. Even as I sit her, it's coming off of her. But let's see if we can get her to sit so you can see them all. Heads up. Come on. Don't tip over just because your head's up. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see if we can get your hand sitting flat. Oh my goodness, she just does not want to sit. Then we have this one here. This is the one that's marked R&B. Their eyes are in beautiful shape though. That's one thing I'll give them. And I got this big girl here. Now she looks like she's like, oh, a good 20 inches maybe. I don't have my rulers here to give you a good, oh. There we go. There's all three of them. Let me see if I can come up on them for you. Now this will go up tonight. Let's zoom in up on all three. So take a look at those faces. Maybe I'll take this off of here and then you can see it up close. Maybe that'd be better. Whoa. Okay, I'm just going to take them. Sorry about zipping you around like that. Zoom out. And I'll just come up close on her. Sometimes it's better without the tripod. And then you can just see them for what they are. But boy, she's got some real, look at that, just chunks ready to fall off of her. Right down to the tips of her toes. You know, so she's really having a bad hair day and, whoops, and body day. Oh, they're sticking to the, let me see here. Then you see the damage on the back of her neck. But that can be filled in. That's not a problem there. But all the way down, there's nothing on her back that I can see. Nothing on the back. Even sometimes you might notice something in the small of the back, but there's nothing there as well. But, yeah, she is going to need a total restoration. Now, this little gal, I got a feeling this might be her original paint. That's something I'll have to test see her eyes, her eye color. Come on, open those eyes, baby. You can do it. There we go. Oh, come on, just open them up. There we go. Well, can we open them? There we go. Oh, there we are. Nice brown eyes. There we go. Hazel eyes. There we go. And, but she's in pretty good shape body-wise, you know. So I'm wondering if this might be her original paint. Could be. We'll see. And then we have this lovely little lady over here, unmarked as well. But she's doing the same as that first doll I showed you here. She's just falling right to pieces here. But that won't last on her. She will get her makeover just as well. Beautiful, beautiful doll. So you got to look beyond all the paint problems, all the wig problems. We'll go up the back of her neck here so you can see what I am seeing. And I don't see anything. Oh. No, that sometimes you think you see stuff in the paint itself, but I don't. I don't know. It could be there. We don't know yet. We'll have to wait. But in the back of her, on her back, nothing. And then we'll go to the small of her back. Is there any letters there? Nope, nothing to the small of the back. So another unnamed doll, but doesn't mean she doesn't have a name. She could have been wrist tag named and still a good company. We just don't know. But we are going to look for these faces and see if we can get names to come to them and who they are. But turn her over. Better if I lay them down, I think, than have them sitting up. But there we go. Pretty faces. So they got very beautiful faces. They should dress up well and show well. And hopefully they'll sell well. But a lot of work up ahead. I'm buying dolls right now to just as well to restore. These are up for restorations and to be sold later. So anyways, in my store when I get my shop up and running, this is some of the projects that I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be working on personal projects for myself in my own collection and to sell as well. So busy, busy, busy. So again, this will be put up tonight. I got to go to work in a few minutes here. But Mary Lou, what do you got to say? Not a whole lot. She's got earrings on and she's happy. And it is, let me see, a little bit more winter out there. You still see the grass tips though, but over here you can't as much. You know, it's covered in. Let me see if I can get you zipped right out to the trees there. You can see it's deeper out that area. Of course, you know, it's deeper out there. But nobody goes out there. I just go out to the shop and back with my bike. That's it. But anyways, I got to go out in a few minutes out in that. And it's cold. It's bitter. But nothing I can't handle anyways. But, you know, not going to be out there for long anyways. But anyways, have a great day, everybody. And I hope you enjoy seeing these 3 new beauties that have joined the doll shop, not the nursery. These are not going to be in the nursery. These are going to all go up for sale. So anyways, everybody, have a great day. And we'll be talking to you again. Bye-bye.